How much does a freight broker bond cost? Before we get into it, if you don't know what a surety bond is, click on the upper right-hand corner and watch our video explaining what a surety bond is and why it's required. How much does a freight broker bond cost? This depends on two factors. One, you, i.e. your personal credit and experience, and two, who you choose to work with and their experience with freight broker bonds. First, your personal credit and experience. The cost of a freight broker bond requires underwriting, which we'll look at your personal credit, business history or experience, prior bond claims if applicable. Number one, your personal credit. Similar to getting an auto or home loan, your personal credit plays a large part in the premium rate quoted by the surety. We'll look at some real examples with real numbers in a second, so keep watching. Number two, business experience. If you've been a freight broker for years, this can help to lower your rate. If this is the first time you're required to purchase a freight broker bond, you may not have business experience, but you might have years of industry experience. Remember, your personal credit will be the largest factor determining your surety bond cost. Number three, prior claims. If you have prior claims against previous bonds, the price of your surety bond will likely be higher. It's good to work with your customers to resolve any disputes before anything ever escalates into a claim in the first place. Let's go over some examples with real numbers. The freight broker bond is a federally required bond by the FMCSA with a $75,000 bond amount. The rates used in these examples are used for easy math. We routinely see rates just above 1% to 5%. If you are quoted a 1.3% rate, your premium, the price you pay, would be $975. That's currently the best rate on the market. With poor or limited credit, you may be quoted 4.6%. In this case, your cost would be $3,450. Again, these rates are only examples. Rates vary from just above 1% to over 5%, depending upon the individual being bonded. This rate is why factor two is so important. Factor two, who you work with to get your bond. To get the lowest price for your bond, use a specialty surety agent like Surety Bonds Direct, who's experienced with freight broker bonds. Every surety will treat your personal credit and experience with their own assessment. It's our job to price shop for you and get you the lowest rate possible based on your personal credit and experience. As a national surety specialized agency, we work with multiple sureties to offer the best prices for our freight broker customers. We only work with A-rated sureties. This allows us to offer you a 100% money-back guarantee that your bond will be accepted by the FMCSA. And by the way, we even e-file it for you. Let's recap. The cost of your freight broker bond depends on two factors. One, you, your personal credit and experience. Two, who you decide to work with. Let us price shop for you and we'll do what we do best, get you the lowest price. And once we do, we'll send you a firm price quote, no obligation, no charge. Thanks for watching.